Karagdagang pamumuhunan ng mga dayuhan sa bansa inaasahan ni Pangulo Aquino ngayong taon. Ang detalye sa ulat ni Elena Luna.
Inaasahan ni Pangulong Aquino ang mas mataas na foreign direct investments ngayong taon. Inihayag ito ng Pangulo sa naging panayam sa kanya ng DZXL Radio Mindanao Network.
Marami tayong investors na papasok. We just inaugurated yung plant of B/E Aerospace. There's another company called BAE, iba yun, no? B/E Aerospace deals with yung galleys in airplanes, seats, lavatories, etc. They just inaugurated their plant, the first outside North America in Europe, in Batangas.
Oktubre noong dumalo si Pangulong Aquino sa grand opening ng kumpanya mula sa United Kingdom. Sa interview din ng RMN, sinabi ng Pangulo ang expansion na ginagawa sa Pilipinas ng kumpanyang Nestle.
Amongst the biggest players that have really brought in a lot, yung Nestle inaugurated again their third plant. One is in Cagayan de Oro, the other one is in Batangas.
Ayon rin sa Pangulo, inaasahan rin niya ang higit na pamumuhunan sa Pilipinas ng mga kumpanya mula Australia at Amerika.
As Austal, it's a shipbuilding company based in Australia, is expanding their facilities in Cebu. And a BPO firm called Excel, based in New York, is expanding for their third site again in Cebu. Yung BPO industry is expanding exponentially throughout the country, no? Not just in the urban centers of Manila and Cebu, no?
Mula sa BPO o Business Process Outsourcing, inilatag ng Pangulo ang inaasahan niyang multiplier effect nito hanggang taong 2060.
But anywhere there are cluster of schools, they are setting up shop. Each direct employee in turn induces about 3 other employees. Yung nasa BPO, kailangan ng convenience center, yung mga gwardiya nung facility, yung mga transportation services, food outlets, etc. That's cater the BPO. No? So currently we have about 700,000 direct employees already. By 2016, we expect them to be 1.2 million direct employees. Tapos multiply mo ng 3. At yung figure na yun, i-add mo sa 1.2 will give you the total number of people working directly or indirectly because of the BPO industry. No? In 2011, they brought in about 11 billion. No? We expect them to bring in about 25 billion by 2016.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Elena Luna.